In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis in Notion. Emojis in Notion help make pages more visual, organized, and easier to navigate. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add them and a few simple ways to use them, so your workspace is easier to scan. First, open your Notion workspace and go to the page you want to edit. This can be a notes page, a database page, or even a dashboard. Anywhere you work. Having the page open ensures you can see changes right where they'll live. Next, click inside the page content area, or place your cursor near the page title. This tells Notion exactly where you want the emoji to appear, whether that's in the body of a paragraph or right in the title itself. Now, type a colon, then a keyword. For example, type Eastern Star or box check. You don't need to add a space before the colon, and you can keep typing to refine the keyword. Short, simple words work best. As you type, Notion will immediately pull up matching emoji suggestions so you can preview what will look right in context. From the drop-down suggestions, select the emoji you want. You can click it, or press the arrow keys and hit enter to confirm. If the first choice doesn't fit, keep typing a different keyword until you see the one you like. You can always backspace to remove it and try again. Use emojis to add structure and meaning. Place them in headings to visually separate sections. Add them at the start of list items to make tasks or ideas pop. Include them in callouts for emphasis, or add one directly to a page title so it stands out in your sidebar. For example, a star for priorities, a check for tasks, or a light bulb for ideas. The goal is to create quick visual anchors that guide your eye. Finally, keep using emojis consistently across your workspace so pages become instantly recognizable. Choose a small set of symbols you reuse for the same purpose. This consistency makes scanning faster and reduces decision fatigue. Less is more. A single well-chosen emoji can be more helpful than a crowded line. That's it. Open your page. Put your cursor where you want. Type a colon with a keyword. Pick from the suggestions, and use emojis thoughtfully in headings, lists, callouts, and titles. With just this simple habit, your Notion pages will be clearer, friendlier, and far easier to navigate.